Hello my dear learners. Myself Miss Mandakini Holkar, working in Department of Pharmaceutics. Today we giving a special focus on first unit, that is sulfonamide under the chapter antimicrobial agents. So let's see our first slide, that is sulfonamide. Sulfonamides are where the first antimicrobial agents. These are trade name. This first trade name is a Prontosil. This Prontosil is a red dye and it possesses the antimicrobial or antibacterial properties against certain bacteria during the in vivo studies. As the name of sulfonamide, it suggests that it containing a sulfonamide group under the class of antibacterials. These sulfonamides are synthetic antibacterial agents and are sometimes referred to as sulfa drugs. The individuals working at Pasteur Institute in the Paris discovered that these prontosil is metabolized to the sulfonilamide. It meaning that prontosil is act as a prodrug. This is a reaction of how the prontosil is get metabolized to form the sulfonilamides. Next we are going to see the classification. The classification of sulfonamide on the basis of chemical structures. First class is N1 substituted sulfonamides. What is N1 substituted sulfonamides? It is a N1 substituted. There is a this position is N1 position. Okay, this structure there is a consist of para amino group, aromatic ring, sulfanilamide group and N1 substitution group. This is the N1 substituted group. Under the N1 substituted sulfonamides consist of sulfanilamide, sulfacetamide, sulfadiazine and sulfamethoxazole. Okay, next class is a N4 substituted sulfonamides. N4 means there is substitution at 4 position. This is the N4 positions. Okay, if on the basis of chemical classification, if there is any group is substituted at N4 position, then it is called as a N4 substituted sulfonamide. Example Prontosil. Okay, next class is a third class is a N1 N4 substituted sulfonamides. N1 N4 means there is a group or there is a atom is substituted at both the position, at one position and at also fourth position. Example are succinide sulfathiazole and phthalate sulfathiazoles. These are the examples of N1 and N4 substituted sulfonamides. Now last class is a miscellaneous. Mefenide is an example of miscellaneous class. This is a after the classification we see that this is a chart. This chart indicate that or this chart reflect the structure of all sulfonamide drugs. Okay, next we are going to see that the major part of this presentation is a SAR. SAR of sulfonamides is very important. This SAR, before the going to the SAR, let's see the structure of sulfonilamide or sulfonamides. In the structure of sulfonamide, this is the basic structure of sulfonamides. The numbering is start from this position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, at one position there is a present of SO2 group, sulfonyl group. Okay, and there is attachment of NHR group, NHR. Okay, at same time there is para position, there is a present of NH2 group. Okay, NH2 group means amino group. Okay, these are indicate that there is if we are going to substitute any group at this position, then we getting a different types of sulfonamides. Okay, in same here we are going to see the name of that position. This position is a para amino group. Why para? Para means there is a substitution at the para positions. This is aromatic ring, this is benzene ring, then this is a sulfonamide group. Okay, sulfonamide, sulfo means sulfur and amido means NH group, and there is a R. This is also called as an N1 substitution group. Okay, getting this, now we are going to start our actual SAR. In sulfonamide skeleton, in sulfonamide skeleton is a minimum structural requirement for the antibacterial activity. In sulfonamide skeleton, sulfonamide is a this sulfonamide this skeleton, this structural skeleton is a minimum structure requirement for the antibacterial activity. First point is the amino and sulfonamide group on benzene ring are essential, and there should be 1 and 4 position. As per our previous discussion, these groups, this amino group and this sulfonyl group are important, and they must be attached to the benzene ring, are essential for the antibacterial activity, and they must present at their 1 and the 4 position. After this, the 4 amino group should be modified to be prodrugs, which are converted to the free amino functions in vivo. This N4 is a if this N4 is we are going to modify, that means this H is replaced with the another group, then we are getting a different types of sulfonamides. On N1 substituted sulfonamide, activity varies depending upon the nature of group. If we are going to substitute different types of group at this position, then we are getting the different types of sulfonamides or different types of drug. This chart indicate that if we are going to change the position or any group at the structure of the in the structure of sulfonilamides, then what happen? Okay, this first column is a position where we are going to change. The next, change by the which group or which position, or at which position, and effect. Okay, if we are going to change in benzene ring, position is benzene ring. If we are going to replace the benzene ring with the other ring system, then effect is it decreases or abolish its activity. Okay, if we are going to exchange this SO2NH group, okay, sulfonamide group with the CONH group, then it reduces the activity. Getting? Third point is substitution in benzene ring. If we are going to substitute on the benzene ring, if we are substituting electron rich characters to the S2 groups, then bacteriostatic activity will be increases. This is third point. Now fourth point, if we are going to substitute on benzene ring, by which group? By the free sulfonic acid group. If we are going to substitute a free sulfonic acid group at the benzene ring, so that it destroy the activity. Now fourth point, the free aromatic amino group. Okay, if we are free aromatic amino group, it always resides or are placed in the para position. If we are going to replace this aromatic ring from the para position, then at the ortho or meta position, then activity, which activity? Antibacterial activity is devoid. Devoid means it destroy the antibacterial activity. If we are going to substitute at benzene ring, which group? Heterocyclic ring. If we are going to substitute on the benzene ring, then it gives the highly potent product or highly potent drug. Okay, next we'll see that what is meant by trimethoprim, or if trimethoprim is a combination of sulfamethoxazole, it is also called as a TMP or SMX. It is also known as a cotrimoxazole. Okay, cotrimoxazole. Co means combination, tri means trimethoprim, and moxazole means the sulfamethoxazole. Okay, this is the antibiotic used to treat a variety of bacterial infections. Okay, it consists of 1 part of trimethoprim to the 5 parts of sulfamethoxazole. Okay, this is here there is a structure of sulfamethoxazole. This sulfamethoxazole is combined with the trimethoprim. If we are giving a 1 part of trimethoprim, then 5 parts of the sulfamethoxazole. This combination are used, this cotrimoxazole are used to treat the various type of infection such as urinary tract infections, skin infections, traveler's diarrhea, respiratory tract infections, cholera, among the others. It may be used both to treat and prevent pneumocytosis, pneumonia in the people with the HIV and AIDS infection. If we are using the sulfamethoxazole only, if you are going to use only sulfamethoxazole, it acts as a bacteriostatic drug. What is bacteriostatic? Bacteriostatics means that prevent the growth of bacteria. But we are going to use the combination of these two drugs, then it act as a it act as a cotrimoxazole, and activity will be enhanced. This shows the bactericidal activity. What is mean by bactericidal activity? Bactericidal means that kill the bacteria. Okay, these are the references for these presentations. Thank you so much.